Ever open an AI tool thinking this will change my life and 5 minutes later you're staring at a loading bar like it owes you money? Yeah, same. So I went hunting for a serious AI creation platform, something that can actually keep up with daily content production. That's when I tested Higgsfield AI, and today we're talking about their ultimate plan, who it's for, what it does, and whether it's actually worth using. First off, this plan is clearly built for people who create a lot. Not the one TikTok per weekend type, more like daily videos, images, characters, the whole production machine. What stood out immediately is full access to all models and features. No annoying lock tools, no upgrade to unlock export button, nonsense. Everything's open, including advanced models and early features, which matters if you want to stay ahead of trends instead of chasing them. Now let's talk workflow. The Ultimate Plan allows multiple videos, images, and characters running at the same time. That means you can generate visuals while another project renders. Huge time saver compared to basic plans where you wait and question your life choices. Another big thing, unlimited generation options and several tools. For heavy creators, this is where the value shows up. If you're producing content daily, YouTube automation, ads, reels, client work, not worrying about hitting limits is honestly a relief. In actual use, the platform feels designed for scaling. The interface is straightforward, generation speed is competitive, and having everything inside one system means less jumping between tools, which, let's be honest, saves both time and sanity. So is the ultimate plan worth it? If you're a casual creator, probably overkill. If you post regularly or run automation channels, this makes way more sense. If you produce content daily or for clients, this is where the plan actually shines. Bottom line, Higgsfield AI isn't about experimenting, it's about producing at a scale. If you're searching for a serious AI creation setup, now you know what this one actually delivers. And hey, if this saved you from buying the wrong plan, my job here is done. And remember, if this video helped you fix something or saved you from wasting money, here's an easy way to support the channel. You'll find an Amazon link in the description. Bookmark it and use it whenever you shop. Whether you're buying tech or everyday essentials, a small portion of what you already spend help support the work here at no extra cost to you. And trust me, Amazon won't even notice. If you want to support directly, you can also buy me a coffee or check out the phone accessories store link below. Totally optional. That's it. Thanks for the support. Stay sharp and I'll see you in the next video.